puso mo, sa paglilingkod mo, wala kang dapat ikatakot, wala kang dapat ikahiya because you know you are doing it for the Lord.
Amen.
Ma-discourage ka kung ginagawa mo yan para sa tao. But if you're doing it for the Lord, you're starting to fix your life, you're starting to be honest with yourself that you need help and only God can help you, then go for it.
Amen.
Minsan kasi, tignan natin na ang audience natin, hindi tao. Because kapag ginawa natin ng audience ng buhay natin ay laging tao lang, you will always conform to the standards of men. Kung ano uso, sunod ka. Kasi ang audience mo, tao. Sometimes we need to switch audience. Let's try to view our life ng audience natin ay Diyos. So what pleases God? Ito bang gagawin ko? Will it please God? Ito bang gagawin ko na to? Will it honor God?